Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to buy coin in Binance. So at first open your Google Play Store and type here Binance and search it and click on this app and just install this app now. I have already installed this app, so I will just open it. And after opening this app, now you will have to go to the markets option. Here you can see a lot of coin options. I will just click on the Bitcoin. You can click on any of them. So now I will click on the buy option, and now you will have to enter the amount you want to pay. In Indian currency, I will just write down here 200 rupees. Now click on the select payment method. Now you will have to choose the select payment method. I mean, if you want to pay through UPI, you will have to click on the UPI option, or if you want to pay through bank transfer, then you will have to click on the bank transfer. Or you can also pay through card, Visa, MasterCard, any of them. So I will pay through UPI. Now click on the confirm. Here you will have to place the order. Now click here on the place order option. Now you will be given 15 minutes and you will have to pay in 15 minutes. So if you have already paid, click here on I have paid, or if you want to cancel the order, you can click here on the cancel the order. Click on cancel order, and you will have to put the reason also. I will click on other reasons and just click here and write cancel. Now click here I have not paid the seller or have received seller's refund, and confirm cancellation. Here the order have cancelled. So thanks for watching our video. I hope you understood the whole process. If you like this video, then please give a like to this tutorial.